What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe and this is Tree Ponder SC Fishing. Today we're doing some crazy casting with very aggressive bowfin. I know I do a lot of bowfin fishing, but you know, today it's springtime, the temperature's changing. God dang it, this guy just totally destroyed my bait. The temperature's changing, the water temperature is changing, the air's changing, the sun's out more often, springtime is on the way. These aggressive fish are trying to fatten up for breeding season, and I'm here taking advantage, hoping that I can break my PB today. My PB in public body of water for bowfin is 8 pounds, and my all-around PB is 9 pounds. Come on, dude. Come on. I'm just skull grabbing this guy and throwing him out because holy cow. If you guys are not familiar with catching bowfin and you're new to my channel, they're one of my favorite fish to catch, but they're absolutely a handful. They have a little screw loose. They like to kind of fight really hard when you first hook into them, and then all of a sudden they kind of go dead weight on you, kind of like a catfish. But once you get them to the boat, that's when the real fight begins. Trying to get the hook out of them, trying to take a picture with them. They just absolutely go ballistic, and their mouths are full of teeth, and all they want to do is bite your feet. Bite whatever. They chomp, chomp, chomp. They got sharp teeth. They love to thrash, so if they get a hold of you, they're going to cut you wide open. Kind of like, I don't know, like an alligator would. Thrash, thrash, thrash. So stick with me. Let's have a bunch of fun. I'm trying some new cameras in different places. It's going to look the same, but they're different cameras. Hopefully the quality is better. Guys, don't forget, I have memberships now. It's $1 a month. It's going to help support the channel. It's going to help me buy new equipment. It's going to help me go to new fishing places. It's just going to help the channel a lot. There's benefits. Just look them up on the channel. But one of the biggest benefits... Oh, what the hell? Okay. Something bit the empty hook. One of the biggest benefits is being able to get videos before Fridays. I usually upload them and schedule them for Fridays, but for members, they can get my videos as soon as they're uploaded. So guys, it's $1 a month, not a big deal. Please join. You don't have to, but it would really help. Let's get back to fishing. There's one. Woo! Good Lord, look at the head on that son of a bitch. Oh! That is a big one. That's cold. Hey, he's biting. Oh my God. He's pissed. Look how soaked he's got. Oh my God. Dude, he just bit the neck. No. This one's wild. This could be the one I've been looking for. I could just get him to open his mouth.
I'm sure telling him to open up will work.
Open up.
I was just kidding.
Just don't open up on my foot. You hear him? £7. About as big as the last big one I caught. That's not gonna take a photo. It's all right.
Got it.
Don't know where he went. He's heading straight for you. There's one. Little guy. Holy cow. Look at that lure. It's gone. Jeez, I don't even know what direction the hook went in. Come on. Let go. Come, no. Let go. I can get it out of your mouth. All right. You're bleeding a little bit. Dickhead. I'm trying to let you go. Jesus. Oh, he just absolutely decimated this. Ugh. Goodness. Skirt's coming off and everything. This thing's called a skirt, by the way. You can turn it off. I have nothing left to say. Weird fish was pulling down my skirt. It's always embarrassing. Oh shit. Psycho. Freaking fish. Absolutely psychos. You can't let them go either. They'll just thrash and thrash and thrash. Golly, come on. God. They're just out to get you. Golly. Whoa. I think this is it. Holy shit. Look at this catfish. Holy shit. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh man. Big catfish. Big catfish, big catfish. I don't even know what to say. I just caught a catfish on a jig. Ay, bit me. Look at this, guys. Catfish on a jig. You see the jig? Oh man, he's biting the shit out of me. There we go. Oh man, that's a big catfish too. Probably 10 pounds. I think I'm gonna put him. You have your radar on you? You can clock me? I think I'm speeding. Wow, what's going on? For the longest time.
So it's been here for a long time?
Yeah. Listen, I've heard, I haven't seen it for myself, but I have heard that guys have seen it on their depth finder.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're back to the house. I did not know that this was going to be a catch, clean, and... Oh, that's great. I didn't know this was going to be a catch, clean, and cook, but that's what it's going to turn out to. We got this catfish that we caught on a jig, which is crazy, and I think what we're going to do is smoke him. Let me get right back to you guys. I got to weigh this dude. Okay, so this guy right here is 11 pounds, 7 ounces. That is my biggest catfish out of a kayak. I just don't know if I can count it because I really wasn't going after catfish, but what the hell, we're gonna count it. You know, why not? So I'm gonna fillet this guy up and then I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, so here are our fillets, and they've been marinating all night in olive oil, honey, Cajun seasoning, dried thyme, and sea salt. I'm gonna lay them out on this tray with aluminum foil, so give me 1 second. Those are our beautiful fillets. Like I said, been marinating overnight, and now we're going to smoke them. So we're going to, first, the smoker's already been preheating at the top temperature it can go at, so I can get the the wood chips to start burning. And then what we're going to do is we're going to smoke the fish fillets, well, the catfish fillets, for 45 minutes at 140 degrees, and I'm using apple wood chips. The recipe calls for cherry, but I couldn't find any cherry, so this is a fruit tree as well, so this should work out just fine. So 45 minutes and we'll see you guys. Alexa, set a timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Not bad. Sweet. Not bad at all. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about the recipe, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.